Welcome to Outdoor Travel. This is Murray Teed from Outdoor Travel. We have the 303 Reflection. Beautiful trailer. All the new updates and everything else, new colors and everything else. We're just going to do a fast walk around the outside. First of all, you have a grab rail on the outside. You have nice steps that fold up in here. Just easy as pie. All aluminum stairs. All your slides are laminated. You have two awnings on this particular coach. You have an awning on this side with sunroom here. You have a sunroom right here. You have storage all the way through, which is really nice, all aluminum construction. You have a dead man switch right there. Propane tank on both sides. You have storage up in the front. Fiberglass cap in the front. On this particular coach, all your cap is insulated. Your roof is an R40 insulation, R30 on the floor. Your gross vehicle weight on this thing is 11,995 pounds. Your dry weight on this is 9,995 pounds. Which this is really nice because you have a split door here, so all your pulls are right here, so you don't have to get on your hands and knees. There you go. You got self-leveling jacks on it already. Also, nice unique feature on this thing is you have lights underneath your slide, so you don't bang your head at night. Hot water tank, it's a 50 amp service right here. All your slides are laminated. If you come to the back, your back wall is laminated also. You have a trailer hitch on the back which you can tow a small boat on. Roof rack and ladder is pre-wired for a backup camera. Walk-on roof, 16-foot centers all the way across. Now when you walk into the 303, they've got all the new colors now. So just take a look at the inside of this. This is all the new colors. They've gone away from a dark color. They're giving you a booth now, which is 2 chairs and a booth. A stool that removes here, center island kitchen, the double door fridge, which is quite nice. Freezer, gas and electric fridge, full cupboards all the way through here, a nice place to put your coffee maker and everything else. A trifold bed here, heated and massage seats over here. Look at the cupboard space, look at the space inside. So right here you have a perfectly built coach. You have a R40 insulation in the roof again. You have 30 inch R30 in the floors, a fireplace here, air conditioning, a 50 amp service. Your TV comes out on a swivel, which is nice. Just look at the colors, look at the material, look at the finish in this thing. It's just beautiful. So we're going to walk up forward. The nice thing I like about the Reflections, when you walk up, you have a grab rail right here. So if you had too many pops, you can get yourself up. This has a cheater bathroom in it, which is nice. A porcelain toilet in it. Full one-piece shower inside. Nice vanity right here. A towel rack on the side. And you can also get into here. You have a sliding door, which is nice. The sliding doors has aluminum inside, so you don't have wood inside it. And then if you walk up through here, this is a real queen size bed, not a RV queen. So it's not too long. It's the right size. You can take a nice thing. You got storage underneath. They use a plywood instead of a chip rock on the top. Cupboards all the way through here. You have a plug-in on this side and a plug-in inside here. You have more drawers on this side. And you have a nice wardrobe in here also. Then you have up through here, you have a light here, you have a light here, and your USB ports are right there for your charging of your phone. This is your 303 Reflection, made by Grand Design. It's a beautiful coach. Come and look and have a look at it. This is Murray Teed from Outdoor Travel. Thanks for watching my video today. Come to Outdoor Travel and have a good look at the Grand Design product. You'll be amazed at what we have. Contact me at murray@rvvacations.com. Thank you very much. Bye.